In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the YouTube API with Node.js. It's a fantastic tool for anyone looking to tap into the vast wealth of data on YouTube and integrate it into their applications or projects. Before we begin, make sure you have a basic understanding of Node.js, as this will help you follow along more easily. First, let's set up our environment. Start by ensuring you have Node.js installed on your machine. If you haven't done so already, you can head over to the official Node.js website to download and install the latest version. Once you've done that, you'll need to set up a new Node.js project. Open your terminal or command prompt and create a new directory for your project. Navigate into this directory and run npm init to initialize your new project. This command will guide you through creating a packaged JSON file, which is necessary for managing project dependencies. You can hit enter through most of the options to accept the defaults. Now it's time to install the required packages. In your terminal, type npm install Google Apis. The Google Apis package is essential as it provides access to Google's APIs, including YouTube's. Once the installation completes, confirm that the Node modules directory has been created, containing the necessary package files. With our environment ready, let's dive into defining the channels or keywords we want to work with. This step is crucial as it directs the API towards a specific data you're interested in. Decide on a set of YouTube channels or keywords you want to extract data from. You might be interested in trending topics, specific genres, or your favorite content creators. Once you've decided, you'll need to incorporate these into your script. Keep this list handy as we'll use it when making API requests. Next, we move on to extracting video data using the API. Begin by creating a new JavaScript file in your project directory. You can name it something like YouTube data.js. Open the file in your favorite code editor. We'll start by requiring the Google Apis package in our script. Write const google equal require Google Apis at the top of your file. You'll also need to set up the YouTube service by creating a new instance of Google YouTube, passing the version and authentication details. For authentication, you'll need an API key from Google's developer console. Ensure you have your API key carefully pasted into your code where specified. Once your setup is complete, you can now make API requests to fetch data. Within the same file, we'll write a function that uses the API to search for videos based on the channels or keywords you've specified. Use the YouTube API search method to retrieve video data, including details like video titles, descriptions, and other metadata. Remember to handle errors appropriately and test your script to ensure it runs smoothly. And there you have it. We've successfully set up a Node.js project to utilize the YouTube API, specify the data we want, and implemented a way to extract video information. Make sure to experiment and customize your requests to suit your needs. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.